Alright everyone, today I'm going to be working on this washing machine. This is a GE top loader washing machine. Let's go ahead and show you which model in particular it is. That way in case maybe, whoop, there we go. That way maybe in case it'll help you out. Well, if it don't, there we go. So this is a GE, and there's the model number. I'm not gonna say what it is, just read it right there. But anyway, so here's the washing machine, and I'm gonna show you what the problem is. Ooh, somebody needs to clean this thing. I guess that's gonna be me. But anyway, as you can see, it is actually the entire drum. As you can see, it's supposed to be recessed this way, and it's actually pulling to that corner. So what I'm hoping is that since I don't hear any crackling noise at the very bottom, there's actually a spline shaft here in the center. I do not hear any crackling sound, so I'm hoping that the spline is actually still good. That is actually a cast iron spline in the center, and that can actually get destroyed if the weight gets too far off balance, which I have actually replaced that on this washer before. I'm hoping I don't have to do that this time. But what it looks like is that maybe the suspension rod gave out or maybe came off. So I'm about to go ahead and essentially what it looks like is that there's going to be a screw here on this side, and there's going to be another one on that side. So I'll go ahead and take the 4 screws off this back side to take this. Here we go, I might be able to show you. There we go, I'll be able to take that cover off. Of course, I'm going to unplug it first, disconnect the water lines, then I believe it's going to be a 1/4 inch nut driver. Go ahead and take these screws out. I think there's 4 of them. Then right there, it's going to give me access behind here. Then once I'm done with that, there should be a screw here in this corner, which, there it is, right there. I'll be able to go ahead and take this off. I'll be able to disconnect some of the harnesses back here, and that's going to allow me to be able to slide this whole display back, and that's going to make it so that also once I disconnect that, I'll make sure that anything else that could be in the way is disconnected. The objective is then I'll be able to use a putty knife to get underneath here. So there'll be one right about here and one right about here. There's clips that hold the lid down. That should allow me to pop this lid up, and then I'll be able to see what's actually going on over there. Now in theory, I'm hoping that's all it is one of the suspension rods. There's one in each corner, and that makes it so that as the washing machine is spinning, those rods keep it kind of centered-ish so that the drum does not hit on the wall. So it keeps some tension this way, and it keeps tension that way. And then also it makes it so that it doesn't have too much of an impact going vertically. So since it's pulled that way, let's see what happens. But anyway, this is gonna be part 1. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera on. I'll do a time lapse. That'll be part 2, and we'll see where we go from there. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. That way you can see how this whole project comes along. And I'll let you know what I discover along the way, and I'll recap as I go.